Hello guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fillet sea bass fish, Japanese style. And I'm gonna show you what are the uses of every parts of this sea bass fish. So we are going to make different types of sushi. Okay, let's start. First of all, we are going to remove the scales. We are going to use the knife. This is for soup, Filipino favorite. We are going to wash because bloody. We are going to start in this part. Turn it. Cut here completely. Then cut the same procedure in the other parts. Again, cut completely here. Okay, let's start making a different types of sushi. I will show you the preparations. First, remove the peel. Cut here the same in the other side. These are scrap. Okay, this cut is for nigiri. Then this cut is for sashimi, a little bigger than nigiri. This cut is carpaccio, or they called it utsuzukuri. It means you have to cut it very thin. This part, I use this for tartare. I will cut it into cubes. And the other parts of sea bass fish, do it the same procedure. Again, this is scrap. Now I will show you what are the uses of this. You can use this as fillings of gungkan, chopping like this, or fillings of maki. Now let's make a sushi in one plate. That's it. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe.